Hi, I'm Stuti and I want to give you a quick feedback around the work which Mansha Interiors have done for us. So we have a 3 BHK and we wanted to finish it. We were looking for a good interior designer or an organization, a company which can help us with doing the work end to end. So there are a lot of big names who are quite famous and quite renowned if you talk about the kind of work which they have delivered in this area. So we had done a complete research on the kind of work which they have done. Fortunately, we got in touch with Mayank, who is basically a part of the Mansha Interiors. We saw a couple of projects which he has done in our own society, almost around 3 to 4 flats, and the kind of finishing, the kind of designs which he has put up was amazing. So frankly speaking, we had seen around 8 to 10 flats done by different interior designers, but this was one which clicked, right? So this was the reason why we chose Mansha Interiors. So to start with, Mayank was very proactive. In fact, his team members also were very proactive. They got in touch with us to first, spend time with us and try to understand what exactly we are looking at and what are our expectations. So as you know, layman, we did not have a lot of idea about what kind of what kind of materials are available in the latest era, as to say. So he guided us through. He first understood what do we want, what are our expectations, what are the colors which we prefer, what are what is the main purpose of doing the interiors for this flat. Is it are we planning to put it on rent, or is it for our own occupation? So a lot of things he helped us through. I think the entire team is very skilled and they have real good competencies, and they try your level best to kind of understand what do you want. They do not shy away from accepting if there are any faults, and they do correct it very promptly as well. So he did engage with us on a constant basis, on a regular basis, and kept seeking our feedback as well. He got involved right from choosing the materials for the flat to the color of the laminates, gave a lot of ideas as to what would go well with the various things, right? So overall, we are a very happy customer. The delivery also was well within time. Yes, it did get impacted because of the COVID situation, but I guess even then there was not much delay, and we are on track. Thanks a lot, Mansha, for all that you've done for us. All the best.